that one teacher there. Oh, you go loud, oh! I swear, na maths teacher, they fine.
I swear.
I just demand that maths teacher. Make you come club any day.
I don't like it, this. Hey, you come here. Come, go, go, go. Did you see us?
I'm sorry, my seniors. I didn't see you guys. My mind was somewhere else. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God.
It's too small now.
You dey crazy? You dey mad? Imagine! I'm talking about the insult you just laid. You dey add more. Are you stupid? Oh! We are too small, Abi. No, we are too small.
No, my seniors, I never said so. I swear to God, I not talk am.
Anyways, I'm in a good mood today, so your punishment is very simple. Just go to the school canteen, get us meat pie and cold drinks. 2 meat pie. Rush!
But where am I going to get the money to get the stuff for you girls? I mean, I don't have any money with me.
Are you a fool? Hmm? Do your parents pay your school fees for nothing? My friend, will you get out and go and get us the meat pie before the break is over?
Hurry, come on!
Okay. Get out! Start going!
No worry, now we should not buy that meat pie home. She go collect. She go just collect.
I have a feeling that this girl's not going to come back. Are you serious?
She dares not. If she does not come back, what I will do to her, she will never believe it.
Well, she not fit try am now. She not fit. I mean, who does that?
If she tries it, I will skim her life. No jokes. I will use her as a lesson to the rest of the students.
Hey, let she try am first.
She's not yet back. She's not yet back. Come! Stop there! Are you mad? You dey crazy? You kept us waiting. Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
I'm sorry you go chop. Eh?
Where's the meat pie? Where's the drink?
But I'm sorry, you didn't give me any money to get the meat pie and drink for you girls now. Yeah, where do you expect me to get money for it?
Oh my God.
Are you mad?
Are you mad? Like less privilege, oh.
Hey!
Are you trying to insult us? Are we poor or something?
You know what? You are going to pay for the time you've wasted. Do you hear me? You're going to pay for the time you wasted. And if you don't pay, we are going to deal with you here.
Yes!
Anyways, I have no money with me, so I can't pay for the time. Yes.
She's actually insulting us. She has guts.
Are we hungry? Are we hungry? You collect a bit, you know? I'm mad. Ah!
Oh my God. You slapped your senior. Are you okay?
I'm going to skim her life. I'm going to skim her life.
It's okay, it's okay. Leave her. Leave her.
Leave me alone.
Era, stop now. It's okay. I said it's okay. Leave her. Calm down. Hey, go back to the house. Calm down.
I said I'm going to skin her life.
It's okay. Calm down, eh? Jane, stand up. Go to your class. Jane! Jane, I stand up. Go to your class. Jane! 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 She's not breathing. Jane! Jesus! She's not breathing. What are we going to do? Oh, and I told you to calm down now. Calm down. You were not hearing. Now you've killed her.
Jane.
Hey, God.
Jane. Jane.
You see what you've caused now. You see. Calm down. You will not hear your blood to the out all the time. Eh?
What are we going to do now?
Hey. My education. You know what?
She's dead.
She's dead now. You're asking me. She's dead. She's dead, of course.
What are we going to do?
You know what? Let's just go to the principal's office and report this, please. Let's just go and report this.
Principal's office?
Yes.
We're going to go to jail. You want us to go to jail?
I know I don't want to go to jail, but
That's what you have to do! What is here? Do you want to go to jail? They're going to kill us. I don't want to go to jail now. What will happen to my school now? What will happen to my education? You think I'm the only one that is going to go to jail? Because I killed her? You were part of this and we are in this together. Do you understand? I begged you. I told you to stop hitting her, but you continued. Oh, really? I see what you're trying to do. What? I'm just saying we should go and report this to the school authority. That's all I'm saying. She wants me to go to jail. Let's go and report to the school authority. You're writing with you. Yes, let's go. That's the only thing to do. Let's go. Let's go. Man, she's dead.
Okay. Can anybody explain or define what government is? You. Hello. Hello. I don't understand. Doing makeup in the class, and I'm even talking to you. You are putting on lipstick. Give me that makeup.
give me that lipstick. What are you?
I beg, give me that makeup. My friend, go and sit down. Copper, it be like say something they do you for head. You don't know why. Go and sit down.
What is this?
I beg, give me that makeup.
See, forget this way you wear.
See this one. I give that. Sit down. No, you can have my lip gloss. Give me. Go and sit down.
I don't beat you. You go ahead. Give me my lip gloss. When I take no sense, give me that.
Go and sit down, my friend. You don't give me my lip gloss. Yes.
I don't press you. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat.
I don't press your bum bum. Go back to your seat, my friend. Ask class, oh. Class, tell them, oh. Tell them, oh. I know they look fresh for this school, oh. You don't ask questions. Now this your bum bum, I go scatter for you. Look at this thing.
Come over here to this cool, beautiful horizon. Throw me your questions.
It's your animal no husband. They look at you.
I think, by me looking at this beautiful question, I can see that you are a black, beautiful Nikki.
Shut up, everybody! What is wrong with all of you?
I'm lost.
Is this what you have to do in classes? You rubbing lipstick and you admire your teacher. Are you okay? When you keep quiet, my friend, don't go admire you. When your bubble full everywhere. Can anybody define government for me right now? Good. Hello.
A government is a political system by which a country or a community is regulated.
Thank you.
Exactly. I'm in the system. Copper, I'm already in the system. You can just call
If
me
I get
Stancy.
one more word from you, I will send you out of this class.
I think I'm in love.
Shut up, I said! Now come by you, Bill. After 1 year, you don't come out. Don't see my lip gloss. I don't say no fee buy your yeah. Just get your books.
Shut up there.
Shut up, everybody! If I slap you, you don't go get yourself. Onyawa. Okay. Just get your notebook. Just go just for you.
Just call me anything you like. Just call me anything you like.
Afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Copper.
Afternoon, beautiful one. Please come.
Good afternoon.
Yes. How are you doing today? I hope you're good.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Good. So, what's your name and what's your class?
My name is Promise 14. I'm in JS 3.
Wow, Promise. What a beautiful name for a damsel like you. I mean, I like your name.
Thank you.
Yeah, promise. Okay, promise, I'm hungry. Can you please help me get something at the canteen? Maybe Fanta and meat pie. You can as well buy the same thing for yourself.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So get something for yourself, okay?
Thank you. Thank
You're
you very
welcome.
much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
It's good.
Hello. Hey, Copper. Confidence, right? Yeah, confidence.
Why are you calling me? Are you here to insult me again?
No. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. I'm not here to insult you.
What is it?
All right. Copper confidence. My name is Stanley, but they call me Stanley, baby. You know, right now, Stanley is in love. I'm in love. I love you. Confidence. You know, when you walk into the classroom and I saw you, I said to myself, I'm done searching. I'm done being single because you are my baby. You are my love.
Will you shut up your mouth? Who is your baby? Are you okay? Are you insane? Yeah. Do you realize who you're talking to? Yeah. I'm your teacher.
I know.
So what will I possibly be doing with a small boy like you?
Hold on. Just hold on. Break it, just match on there, you understand? See, I'm not a small boy, I'm Stanley, baby. I can take care of you. Love doesn't even differentiate between the old and the young. We can do this, you know, we can.
Can you just keep quiet? I don't want to hear one more words from you. Okay. Look at this one that is still saying, Mama, thank you at home. Do you even understand that I am older than you?
I know. It doesn't matter.
Shut up! I'm talking.
Okay.
What kind of a stupid love is that? See, the next time you try this nonsense with me, I would make sure I report you to the principal. Okay? Do you get that? Have it stored in your head. I am your teacher. Alright?
Alright.
Good. Rubbish. Idiot.
Call for confidence. I know you are so good in mathematics. They say age is what? It's just a number. And as for the next time, that's gonna be my best time. Stanzy, baby. Stanzy, baby. I'm still gonna maintain my steez, man. My bakeleke count. Confidence with big. Oh, damn shit. You're gonna be my girlfriend soon.
What is wrong with me? Why will I be in love with the principal's son? Huh? He's a student and I'm a copper. But does profession really matter? Does age matter? What is wrong? But I'm in love with him. What should I do? What should I do? Yes. I know what to do.
Yeah. What up? Come to Zaddy. Come to Zaddy, baby. You know I love you. You understand?
Please stop this thing, Shadi. It's not nice. It's not funny.
Oh, stop it there. Bring it down. Bring it down there. You don't call me senior, and you don't even call me Stanley. No, you call me what? Stanzy. You know what? And when you call me Stanzy, I call you my promzy. You understand the Z, the conjunctions, and the Z alphabet, man. What's up? We actually match, no? You my match, you understand? My boo.
Sounds
You my
nice.
boo, baby. What's up?
Sounds nice.
Yeah.
But like, look, let me tell you.
You wanna tell me you love me?
The next time that you try to stop me for this,
Huh?
I will report you to the principal for assault.
What the heck? You don't even know me. I'm just trying to give you a push, man. I'm trying to help you, nigga. I can't even date you. Look at you. You don't know me. I got swag. I got class. Stanley, the only American citizen schooling in Nigeria. And I'm an Igbo man. Pure Igbo boy from Abakaliki. The only American citizen schooling in Niger. Shit. Let me try other girls. Other girls, man.
Mommy, I am so happy, I am so excited that gradually our school is now becoming one of the biggest and the best in the entire state.
My dear, I have put in so much hard work in this school for you not to be successful.
Mommy, that's very true. But don't forget what you always tell me. Regardless of your hard work, without the grace of God, this school will still not be successful. You taught me this.
You're right, my dear. That's why I want you to study hard. Be brave. So that when I get older, you'll be able to handle the school.
Did you say when you get older?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, you're not getting any older. You will never get weak and pale and tired. Mommy, in the next 1 million years, you will still be this young, good-looking, vibrant, and agile. That's my mommy.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Amen. Oh. Amen.
That's the truth. Mommy, that was the bell. I think I have to go back to class.
Okay, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, study hard. And then be good.
Mommy,
all
you
right?
have to be good, mommy.
I'm proud of you, son. Okay?
Thank you, mommy.
That is the problem I'm telling you. You don't understand me. See, I don't just like that copper for anything. I can't stand her presence, please.
Same here. She's always full of herself. I feel like devouring her whenever I set my eyes on her. She's here to teach. She should understand that and stop looking for who worship her.
I thought you were in support of her. Huh? Oh.
Yeah. Keep the talk rolling. Keep the gossip rolling. Keep the gossip rolling. Okay?
It's cool. Yeah. Leave him.
So, that's...
I got some videos, man. I got some secrets. Secret inside my phone.
Stay.
Hey. What's up with you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, Stanley, how are you? I'm cool. What's up?
Stanley, I can't be fine without you.
Hey, I still maintain my steez. Stanley, not Stanley.
Stanley.
Yeah.
See, I love you. I just want to be with you. Yes.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You love me.
Yeah.
You wanna be with me.
Yes.
Huh?
Look at me. Am I not attractive? Am I not a girl? See, we can make this work.
Oh, listen up. I am not a teacher in the school. I got nothing to do with literature. So I don't understand why you're here reading some poems for Stanley, baby. And if you are serious with that poems, I got an answer for you. We ain't gonna make anything work. Work. We not gonna make it work. And it not gonna even work. You got it? Now get your ass out of here. Get your tiny ass out of here, please.
Stanley,
What?
we can make it work. I want you. Try to understand.
please.
Okay, all right, okay. I got you right now. You want it to work?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You want it to work? Oh, I see. I'm walking away from a girl like you. I'm walking away from the kind of girl like you. I'm walking away. It's not gonna work.
Stop.
Get that. I'm walking away, nigga.
It's so difficult.
Thank you.
Oh, you're back already.
Yes.
Nice. Thank you.
Your change.
Oh, come on. You can keep the balance. You know, a pretty damsel like you deserve to be taken care of.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Listen, I would like to take care of you if I'm given the opportunity. I would like to buy you lunch every day, and I also want to give you some money so you can take care of yourself. I mean, for your upkeep.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
But listen, come. I mean, I'm doing all that because I like you. You're a girl that every man in his right senses would fall head over heels in love with. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so how about we see after school when everybody must have gone?
No problem.
Huh? You promise you make it up to me?
Yes.
So we'll meet her behind the lab, the biology lab.
Okay.
Are you sure you're gonna come?
Yes, no problem.
I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
Now you can run along. And please, do not tell anybody that I bought food for you.
No.
Or gave you money.
Okay.
It has to be between you and I.
No problem.
Right?
Thank you.
All right, take care. Bye.
It's time to play my card. It's time to give love a chance, man. I love it big, and I can't take my eyes off that. My beautiful lady, the most beautiful angel in this universe. Here's a beautiful gift from me to you. I know you will love it. I love you so much. Please don't say no to me. I can't even concentrate. I can't even think. You're everything in my head. I thank the God Almighty for creating a beautiful angel like you and blessing you with a natural Kilimanjaro behind you. We call it ass over here. My baby, this love is a beautiful thing. And I can't wait. I can't wait to start this beautiful, amazing journey of love with you, Copper Confidence. Instancy will cease. The only student, American citizen in the school. I know you can't say no to me. You know I love you. Please accept my gift. I know you will love it. Perfect gentleman. Oh, you love the fragrance? Oh my God. Oh, Jimmy. You are insane. Oh my God. You are it's sense of you. Rubbish. You don't know your mates. You don't. Love has no mates. Shut up! Oh, sorry. Sorry. Nonsense. Can you imagine? I just love you. Love, go get it there. Oh, they say love is pain. They say love is beautiful. You know, I'll take this as a sign of love. Love is wicked. Love is wicked. I still gotta maintain my teeth. Stanzi, baby. I'll try another girl. Love is wicked, nigga. You're beating me up because I love you.
He got me angry.
I better leave that one. Hunger now. You know they're hungry.
That's what you did.
We'll make we find what we just go buy us something. Ciao.
What the priest
come on.
Oh, this woman, eh? Her grace, eh?
Every day we just talk someone.
Oh, we got dodge now.
Who go see now where we go see send now? Now on the day, man.
Wait. Come, Junior, come.
Show.
I beg, run. If senior call you, you run. They mad. Good afternoon, my son.
Good afternoon.
Come here. Where they run, they go.
Fine girl. I beg you, bring this thing where you hold. Now you come. Now today on. Now today on.
You sure? You can smell them. Now today on. We go to chop them. You see this thing where you buy like this? You go that school canteen. You go buy 2 for me and my friend.
Wait. You see why I want to give you this thing now. If not, I could just give her. Make sure start the chopper.
You say you won't give her?
Make sure go buy her. I know you. I don't mark your face. You know if you run for this thing. You know me. You know the way they behave. Don't try me. Take. Come. Not too happy. First, run. Go buy this thing.
This
one meat
now.
pie. 1 Coke.
The
just the way you buy them now. Buy them for
like
me
this?
and my friend.
But the money is not complete now.
Who they follow you? They laugh.
Coke is 400, meat pie is 200. See what and why as you find like this. You know go fit even add some money for your seniors.
You know, no say that waiting you do your senior, they go do you tomorrow when you become senior. No be so.
That's what they do us now.
They do like this now.
Haba.
Fine girl.
I don't bring money to school.
Hey, come wait first. Now because they even they small, they follow you, they talk. You get come on, smell out. Go buy what you say, you go buy.
Come they go.
Before this thing dry, you don't come back here.
I tell you.
They hear me. Come and run.
Don't shake your bum oh. Hold your bum.
You say me you run, you dey walk.
They run oh.
See this thing, if this saliva dry before you come, you go see what I go do you.
Nah, Melissa, if for weeks, now make we chop
this
that
thing,
one, the whole body now.
No.
They say hunger day.
She buy that. She go buy and come. No worry. All these small children where their papa get money, she get money.
Hey, you see as body they do like.
She go buy am.
Burger.
She go buy am. No worry.
Oh my, for you
make this saliva no dry.
Make I just they do match pass. They wait.
Good day, ma. Ma, please, how much is this? How much is for the pulse? Okay, give me 100 naira. 100 naira.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Wait, how can you be fine? You're shedding tears and you're telling me you're fine.
It's DSP.
What did they do?
They gave me 200 naira. They asked me to buy 2 meat pie and 2 soft drinks, and I don't have money to complete it. Please, can you give me 1,000 naira so I can complete it for them? Are you okay?
Yes. We are the DPS or whatever you call them.
Yeah.
You know what? Take me to them. Let's go.
Thank you.
Guy, have fun now. What's up with you and Bianca?
Fine, we are cool.
What do you mean fine, we are cool? I know you guys are cool now.
So why are you asking?
If you don't know why I'm asking, then why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I know you to be a fool. Yes, because only you, Joel, will have the mindset to ask me such stupid question. I mean, yes, Bianca is our classmate. Yes, she's very intelligent. But you should know that she's also an underage girl.
I believe that matter, guy. Forget that thing now.
Huh?
Forget that thing. You know, see, I like this girl. You know I like her. I get interested in how you tell me. I forget underage matter, guy.
Can you hear how stupid and foolish you sound? I mean, which man in his right frame of mind would think of such on a very innocent young girl? Let me tell you something, Najua. If you make a very stupid move towards that girl, I will personally report you to my mother. And I will make sure that you are being expelled from this school. On top of that, taken to the police station, and you will face the full wrath of the law.
Let me ask you a question. If you pursue dog for shit, now you will eat the shit. Guy, leave that matter. Don't I don't get already safe. Not even.
Hey! What is this one saying? Make you go buy?
With which money? Half for complete money you gave her. And wait! How dare the both of you ask her to use her money to buy you to lunch? Do you know if she has the complete money?
You dey mad?
It be like say you won't make I match you, they crazy. Something they do you for
Wait.
Look at this.
You dey mad?
Look at this cockroach, oh. Make I bounce your face. You dey crazy.
Are you okay? No, you in particular. You know then when seniors they send us, when you go buy something, even though say we not get money, you know they. I don't blame you. You know what? If I not repeat class, man, you not go to see. Come they exchange.
Melissa, you know wetin dey bust my brain. Now because say we dey repeat class, this little witchy thing say she go come dey insult us. He dey mad. You know how many years we don't get this school? You want make we change am for you? No, you want make I bust your face?
If you said a joke.
E be like say you want make I use this my bag enter scatter this your face.
So all this time wey we send you make you go buy something come, you go call her. No, you go call your guy.
Melissa,
wait. I beat you.
You know wetin dey vex me now, eh? You know wetin dey vex me? This stupid witchy come here. Come dey feel wetin you dey feel like now? No, wetin? No, you dey think like who call you for this thing? Your busybody don dey too much.
I tell you, because I go just throw away you. You don't say it's too small.
No, leave her.
Because they follow you, they laugh.
No, leave her, Melissa. This girl, see now, make I tell you, see, nobody call you for this place. Your busybody for this school done too much. If you not respect yourself, I go enter you.
Yeah,
you hear me?
This doesn't concern me at all.
It's none of your business. You know,
none of my business.
You know concern. You keep your mouth shut.
Are you done?
You dey ask
you
me
say waiting.
If I'm done.
No, waiting you talk now.
Are you done?
Wetin they give you the guts to they talk to people anyhow? You see you, ba?
If only you know what this act of yours has cost, you won't be practicing it on other junior students.
You're very stupid. Take waka.
This
you're mad.
You're come over here. Come out here. See this mug.
See. Wait,
See.
No, leave am. It be like say you won't make you pinch this your mouth. You
see this mug here.
Oh, yeah, pass for here. Come on for. Come on for here.
Wait.
Come on for here now.
Come back here.
Look at these things, oh.
For here. Pick that money.
Why would she pick it?
Come on, pick that money.
Try it.
Look at this.
She's giving you back the money, right? What else do you want? Nothing. Let's
pick this
Melissa. Come here.
Touch me.
Oh yeah, they run.
Touch me.
Come on for here.
Leave
See, Melissa, I go keep person for this school, oh. I go keep person.
You know say Papa get money.
Leave person for this school, oh.
Leave her.
I go make I keep person. Make I keep this girl, oh. I go enter you, oh.
You get me throw this money for ground. No one.
No, waiting the play for you. Wait.
Listen, it is no news that you have an image of an unbridled libertine, but I do strongly advise that you cease from this. Otherwise, you face the consequences very soon.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way, okay? I'm sorry. It was just a joke. Huh?
You better be.
Nice one. It's a beautiful one, my copper. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Come on, girl. You need to put yourself together and stop all this.
Nora, I love him. I love him so much. I just want to be with him. Just that he's not seeing me. He's busy looking at that stupid copper.
Omo, this life no balance at all. You are here busy, loving and crying over someone. Why same person is busy, loving and killing himself for another girl? Come on, girl. You need to stop all this. So. You don't have to keep crying for a man who doesn't deserve you.
You can say all you want. Why are you like this? Huh?
How am I?
Are you not my friend?
I'm your friend, of course.
Instead of you to fight for my happiness and you are here saying rubbish.
Really? It's obvious you've lost it. So I should go and help you and talk to a man, eh?
Nora, but I want him.
You must be insane. I beg, stop all this, so girl. I don't understand.
But I love him.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I bought you some snacks and soft drink.
Oh, that's very kind of you, but no.
Come on now. I specially bought this for you. I know you haven't had lunch. Please take it. Please. Come on.
Well, if you insist. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
So, what are you doing?
As you can see, I'm studying.
Oh, that's good.
Anything else?
No, it's okay. Take your time. See you at the class later.
Okay.
Bye.
It's just too bad. Just as I was saying, this is Miss Lee, and the botanical name is Ereptical.
Oh, okay,
Ecoasis.
You said it before.
Yes.
Are you sure what you're having there is maize leaf?
Come. What be your own? No, who call you come here now? You don't fit stay one place. That's why they poke nose, they walk and they find where they find you. You don't get shame. Rest in Jesus' name. It's too much. Haba. Others they inside you, that's why you just they walk and they find where they find you.
Baby, take it easy. Don't talk too much. I don't want any.
I beg, leave that thing. You dey try explain to this small girl.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You should be asking yourself that question. And you, the last time I checked, you are not an agricultural teacher. You're a mathematics teacher. I won't be surprised if you don't know the name of this leaf.
Listen.
I don't understand. I beg, don't dey try from my hands. You want to explain yourself to this small rats. No. See this cockroach. You want to explain yourself. No, not from my hand. No try more. Move now. You don't catch us. What will happen? What will happen? Come on, move from here.
Enjoy.
Move. Come on, move.
Why so little?
Something like gets a hand. So you get the right hand, you'll conk me. But if you don't, the reverse is going to be the case. I will conk you.
Okay. This.
Sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Very sure?
Oh. You see? I told you. Now bring your head.
Kai!
It's nice, Abby.
Nice what? These your tiny fingers are painful.
I know. You want another one?
No, game over. So, I was even meaning to ask you, why don't you have any friend? And since our JS1 to this present class, you don't have any friend. Why?
Well, friends. You're the only one that I have seen that is worth being close to.
Okay, that's a good compliment, but I can't be the only one. No, I am very sure there are other students, even the junior students.
I know.
So, at least you should have one female friend.
Girls. Yes. I don't want to be friends with girls because they cause a lot of troubles. My last encounter landed me here.
What do you mean landed you here?
You know what? When the time comes, you understand. So let's continue the game. You're done, right?
You know, my mom has put in so much hard work and effort in this school.
No be your boyfriend and Bianca sit down there they talk.
What if?
So you go there inside water, soap go enter your eye. She go collect this guy from you.
That one no fit happen now. Now which kind of thing wey you talk like this? You won't make person die now.
Which one be that one no fit happen? In front of you now, you think you are not. Leave that thing, I beg. You go confront them.
Wake up and find that she's not.
Now here you sit down. Mrs. they find you. They find you everywhere for school.
Oh,
yes.
You can't sit down here with this small pikin.
Oh, you just want to interrupt our conversation.
What do they want this one?
What do you talk?
You want me to excuse you now?
No. It be like say you won't make I leave my 2 hands for your face.
No.
No, you dey mad, Abi. You see this girl there? Avoid me, oh. Just give me my way, oh. I go press you. I go press you, I go deal with you.
Who is Mrs.?
Your mama now, no be Mrs. Your mama they find you, you can't sit down for here. I don't know what you do with this small pikin. Why do you like embarrass yourself? Eh? You don't even get shame. Say small pikin where you and can't sit down. Ha!
Are you sure my mom is looking for me?
I saw your mama. No be me and you follow. Your mama they look for you. We call tell her say, no worry, we will help you go look for her. Now you dey here. Your mama they find you. Go your mama office, you go see her.
At least I see what they make me the best. So they try say I dey lie, Abi. In front of this small pikin. Now wait till they bring that kind leg. I know they like this kind of thing, no. Now you they make this small pikin they insult me. I say your mama they find you say whether not true. No, I dey lie.
Your girlfriend gonna tell you something they doubt her. You know make sense.
Okay, I've heard you. Bianca.
Yeah?
I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Bye. See you in class.
You.
Yeah.
Bye.
And wait. You say Bianca. See you in class. You don't see Melissa.
We not there here. Abi will be spirit.
No, you don't see us.
No, we'll be air. You don't see us. Oh, wow.
You know what? Just go and meet your mom.
Alright. You good, yeah?
Okay. You too.
Are you up?
Oh, voila.
Come here. You see you this small pikin. See, make I warn you. You try avoid me for this.
Leave her. Wait. I will kill you. Jesse, leave this.
Now make this girl do like this.
This girl won't be like say he be sickle self. Leave her more.
Now make this girl drop for head. She know they fear my face. Now me, see, Melissa, I go kill this girl for this school. I said I go give her motor.
I don't want.
See, I know they like this kind of thing now.
Who they go? If they leave you, go to that smoke. You don't get shit. Okay, who they go?
I don't like that. I don't tell me that.
Okay, they go.
Oh yeah. So there are other people they class soon and they hear they walk out. Oh you gari way. Abi? Raise your hand. I said raise your hand. Now me you do like that. You see today, I go show you something.
Oh, yeah, carry this thing. Carry am. If this thing fall for your hand today, don't say your own don't finish on this school. You didn't hear what they talk. Oh yeah, carry this one. I say if you bend down your hand there, for your what you go here for your bum now? Toy. You didn't hear me? Come here. What I say come. You know, come here. You the mad.
Are you talking to me?
Come here. Look at this window. See, I don't even know what thing they do you. Like, what thing they give you morale for this school. I say, come here, they work out small. Even I say something they do it for your head.
I will only answer you.
I'll beat you people. Stupid thing. You cannot carry small thing and you're walking up and down. Come here. No, you don't get respect again. I don't know what thing they give you morale for this school because they walk up and down. When you don't get work at me. And you carry this thing down. I say come here.
I will only answer you because of that useless post that they give you in this school.
So all this respect, why they respect you? Why they give you? Because say me and you they're the same class. You think say me and you not the same mates? Abi? You know the fear face, Abi? See, not be because say they repeat class. You can't come my school, me and you can't get the same class. You think say me and you not the same mates. See, I know they take rubbish, oh. I know they take rubbish. I get here, they punish these small children when they here. You, this small picking, you just walk out like say that you get this school. When you get anywhere, Abi?
You don't have anything to say. Allow me to go back to the class. You that is punishing all these junior students. What were you even doing outside that you saw the junior students outside? Or are you now above the school authority?
Hey. See, they put me what I want you. No, see this small picking, I mean they talk like this. Kneel down. Before I count 3, I said kneel down. 1,
I
2.
just kneel down. Do you know why? Because we are in the same class.
Meaning?
I am more intelligent than you. Don't you have respect for me? You should have respect for me.
You're more intelligent than me, Abi. See this girl, Yeah, because of that, this girl do me like this. Now, if they do shaking, see, if I see both of you outside the game, before I open my eyes, make you come for here. 1, 2, Yala, stupid thing. Let me get all of you in this cup. I'm going to design your face today. Come on, sand you cannot carry. See you, this girl, come here. Come here.
Good morning, Mr. Tolo.
Good morning, my beautiful angel. How are you doing today?
Sir, you know I am young. You need to stop calling me beautiful angel. My name is Bianca.
Well, what difference does it make? Are you not beautiful?
Yes, I am.
Exactly. And that is why you are an angel. Not just an angel, but my own angel. You know, you're extremely beautiful that every guy in this school would want to have. In fact, any guy in his right senses would like to have in this school. I like you. I want you to know that I like you. And listen, I'm willing to help you get to the university when you're done here.
I can't graduate from this school. I have been in this school for 11 years. I won't graduate. And it's still counting.
Wait, is that a joke or something? What do you mean you have been in this school for 11 years and you cannot graduate? What do you mean?
I thought it was only students that don't get conversations. I never knew teachers do too. Well, I was just joking.
Come on, what are you trying to say? Listen, teachers are humans too. I'm serious about what I told you recently. I truly do love you.
I just came out from the proprietor's office. I had a fight with the DSP. I wouldn't want the proprietor or any teacher to come and see us here.
That's all right. I have 10 a.m. lecture with your class today, so I'll see you when I come around. That's fine. Come on, put smiles on your face. Small pink chump.
Hey! That girl get mind though. Sit down, they chill with your boyfriend, they touch body, they laugh. Small rats. Okay. Eh?
You still get men come fight you where junior students, the way you punish them. She still might come they fight you. What is school do? They just flog them, leave them. Instead of them to expect that girl, just push her come up for school. They just leave her. You're not good now.
You know the one way even make me they confused. Eh? That girl opened that her mouth. They tell me in front of those small children. Look at this one. They like say never chop for 2 days. They tell me in front of small pikin. They say I know sabi book. Say she know book pass me. Can you imagine that small rat? But I give her if you see the kind for her leg, why I give her he pain her.
She get.
You see that girl? She never know me for this school.
She get luck.
Me see give am. I come the pity for her.
How you dey mad? How you want pity person who want snatch your crush from you? You don't get sense. Now there you go tell he just a pity. From there they can't know the flow you they talk again. You can't see they use your sense 247. Haba, you see that girl for this school? If I see her wear my Kopatolu day, I go design her face. Make sure they do that thing where you dey. Make sure no carry her.
See Melissa, this thing where they talk, they make me the best. Because that girl no go feel try collect my baby move from me. You know they possible. I just keep am quiet. Say she they do all those things she they do.
Thank God say you smart.
Just
wait for this girl. We go really show and pepper. Unless you know, we go show and pepper. So if she see us, they come. She go dodge.
No be lie. That's so you go be. At least today, I buy her me a TV on nene. I just put small TV for her. Make she watch them. Next time.
You for beat and well. You just that I just they pity the game.
Baby, you're so sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you can just keep this for your upkeep.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my beautiful angel. And don't forget, nobody should know about this.
No.
Keep it between you and I, okay?
I won't tell anybody.
That's my girl. You know you're a very smart girl. And that's one thing that I like about you. Come give me some sugar.
Hey, you need to see the way she just humble fast. You need to see how she come cold like ice block. I don't know say that girl they humble This one humble her.
You see the way she they do. They misbehave for canteen that day. For her mind, she feel say she don't get your kele. Do you understand? I just look the girl. She just parade herself like a dogma.
No, look that girl. No, just look that girl. She fit collect my kele for me.
Okay, no.
She fit try baby mu. Make I show her pepper. She don't know me.
It piss me off. The way she carry herself, it mad me. You know, she just they talk with your kele. They do that day for back.
Did you flog me?
They mad. Which one is it? Did you flog me? I get it.
Melissa. Person they flog me.
Who flog me?
Person they mad. Hey, Melissa, stop this thing, Melissa, hey, who they flog me? Who they flog me? Sugar in my tea. Like anyone can now. If you got side jazz, working like side jazz, one now. My breakfast and dinner now. Kelly baby. The only man that makes my body do me. My baby now. You just you do as if you know they hear me. I know say you they hear me all this thing while they call you. You just smile like that. Why they do like this now?
just see. You called me.
But you're my baby now. It just it was him now in front of like chicha. Anyway, baby, I want you to give me that your storybook. That's novel. That one where you they read. Where if I read, I'm the only thing I sabi read for this world. If I read, my brain they do me thing. I beg give me.
Which novel is that? I have lots of them.
That's one where they draw
The one where
woman, man, children. They draw something for you for the body.
black cover.
You get black. That one where they read all the time. Why they read? The only thing I sabi read now.
All right. Bro, just call FBI. Just call FBI.
Hello, class. Please, did anyone take anything from my?
Search everybody now. Search. Make you say you don't see the novel again. Make we search everybody.
This is where to like say she don't make we search your lot. Open her.
You trust her, so we should not search her.
I'm an American citizen. You don't come closer to me.
Which one?
Get out.
Search your bag. You see this one now?
I'm an American citizen. It can't be there.
I don't know. You say you know they here. You see how?
Oh, so you
you say you know they here. You see how? You see how? Nothing. See, now all those people when they steal and then they do holy wedge. Holy wedge. And you say you know effect to one get. Now you the thief. Onyoshi come. You see how?
Suma Pepe, so you be thief. You say what? You say not beautiful. No, now you thief am. No be me. Now you thief am. Who thief am? Now Bianca thief am.
Baby, whose luck can you see am?
Wow.
Baby, whose luck can you see am? You see?
You see this girl for this class, eh? I go beat you and you talk like
say on the comment.
You say what?
You say what? Oh, but you take shit now. You say what?
Kelly!
Bianca, what is it? I was headed for the school canteen to get some snacks for myself.
What if I get it for you? Before you know it, I'll be back.
No, thank you so much. I appreciate your kind gesture, but thank you.
I insist, I can't get it for you while you go back to the class.
Like I said, thank you, but no. I have to leave now.
He doesn't believe I wasn't the one that stole his notes. I just hope he understands me.
Damn. Oh, damn. Oh, it's a nice practical, man. Oh, you guys are acting horror movies. Yeah, I can see. I'm so scared right now.
Shut up! What are you doing here? Eh? Can't you see I'm trying to have a perfect time for myself?
Oh, I see. You're actually having a nice time for yourself. Totolu with a box of oxygen loaded with fresh air.
Excuse me, I'm taking my assignment.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Sorry about that.
Will you get out from this place?
Oh, I'm off.
If you don't, I'll give you the punishment of your life.
Okay. Damn, man, this is heartbreaking. Man, look at my Promsy. Look at Tolu. Well, this Tolu is bad, man. This Tolu got some new stars. Oh, damn. Now this girl don't grip. They don't want my guy just. God damn. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. I'm heartbroken. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, will you just get your ass here? Get your ass here, nigga. Oh my God. What? You asking me what is it? No, you asking me what is it? I should be the one to ask you that. Okay? Promsy, oh my Promsy. What is it? Haven't you done enough? The pains, the torture, and headache, this your one nigga, it's only here. What's wrong with you?
Huh? You think because I like you? Because you know I like you. You think I can report you to the principal's office? You were a liar, baby girl. You are just a liar. Because I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to the principal's office and play this new series, this new wonderful movie to him and tell him, this is what Tolu has been totoloing with, Promzy. Tolu has been totoloing with you, nigga, and you were smiling. You're gonna smile to the principal, you know?
What evidence do you have?
Listen up.
I will deny you.
Listen up. Listen up.
I will deny you.
I know you're gonna deny me. But guess what? You ain't gonna deny your pretty face. And your sweet, angelic, erotic voice. Dwayne, Tolu, come on. Tolu, harder. Tolu. I got him here. Thank you.
Wait.
Hey, principal, we got a new movie.
Wait. Please. Senior Stanley, I mean, please don't report me. He forced me.
Listen up. You're fucking up. I believe you're fucking up. I believe you know that. You don't just call me Senior Stanley. I know I'm heartbroken, but I still maintain my steez in all situations. Now correct yourself. Call me Stanzy.
Stanzy.
Call me Stanzy.
Stanzy.
Call me Stanzy.
Stanzy, please don't report me. Please.
It's all right. It's all right. I'm a good guy. Over there in America where my mom and my dad stays, we are good people. But I'm gonna do that on one condition, okay?
Condition.
Thank you. You gotta go in there to Tolu's office. That Tolu where they to Tolu you. Tell him to look for Stanzy profile. Get to my class and score me higher, higher than every other student, okay? I'm gonna be overall the best student ever. Now I'm gonna make my parents proud, you know?
I can't do that. I can't.
Why you can't do that? Okay, no problem. Then you're gonna do that in principal's office. Hey, principal!
Wait,
we got a new movie.
Okay, wait.
We got a new movie.
Wait. I've heard you. I'll do it.
Huh. All right then.
Oh yeah, delete the movie. Delete the video.
What? I should take it up? I can't. Because I'm heartbroken. I'm bleeding. I love you. And I'm heartbroken. You're gonna give me time. I'm gonna be watching it every day to heal from the heartbreak. Now, come take a look at us. And make sure I zoom in to get your pretty lips kissing Tolu. Can you see? Can you see? Damn, oh shit, oh
you're so disgusting.
Look at the way you're kissing Tolu. And you told me Tolu forced you. Oh man, I'm heartbroken.
You think when they confuse me, I don't tire.
What do they confuse you? Calm down, concentrate, I beg. If you say no, they understand, you go back inside class. I beg.
Are you actually with us? Because I have repeated myself over and over.
Are you shouting at me now? So you don't dey shout for me because I don't know this thing. Why they behave like this now?
Jesse, what do they worry you?
You now, what thing they worry? You don't know say person don't dey old. We don't dey old. As you see us now, we don't old. These things no dey enter again. Plus say you know say we dey smoke and we dey now. Wetin dey solve for you? All these things they talk now.
I don't understand them. If you don't understand them, I don't understand them. I beg, lower your voice.
Can I continue?
Continue, I beg.
Continue.
Pay attention now. Haba, continue.
Which kind of thing be this now?
So 2 raised to what? Power what?
Can you just concentrate?
Go meet your copper boyfriend now.
Wait.
Don't be when my own boyfriend they teach me like they go like this. Wait, Melissa beg him.
What's this? Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire!
Holy Ghost.
Jesus! What's that? Jesus! What happened? What did that thing?
Are you okay?
Yes, I am very okay.
You are sure?
Mm-hmm.
Then why are you panting?
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
You're sure you're fine?
Yes.
Okay, we have a teacher in the class.
Okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
Don't I look fine?
You're sweating. But anyways, let's go to class.
What is it?
Kelly, wait, please, Kelly, hold on.
I thought you said there was a teacher in the class.
I forgot, they're having PTA meeting. But at least can we go back to the class?
No, you go back to the class.
I can't go back to the class.
Why?
It's noisy. And besides, I was trying to understand my physics when I heard noises and decided to come, but I saw you hiding. Are you sure everything is okay?
Yes. Everything is okay.
Okay, Kelly, what you did wasn't right at all. I just have to tell you.
What did I do?
I came to you for physics to help me out, and you decided to follow Melissa and Jessica to teach them maths. Am I that bad? Don't you like me at all?
Bianca, I don't think this is the right time to talk about likes or dislikes. I have a whole lot going on my mind. There is a lot going on. This was what happened. It is not as if I deliberately ignored you over Jessie and Melissa. I was studying mathematics and they came to me to assist them with some mathematical equations. So I just thought it wise that, okay, since I'm doing the same thing and they're asking for the same thing, it just makes it easier. And you know what? I don't really have much time for this talk. See you around.
Wait. Just wait. Just hold on. Hold on. Stop now. Hold on now. Oh my God. What is going on here? Oh my God. So it's true? No, I can explain. It's not what you think. Just forget what you say. It's not what I think. Yes. Copper confidence. Ma. And you?
Mommy, please calm down. It's not what it actually looks like.
I should calm down. A teacher is molesting you and you are telling me to calm down? Ma, huh? Ma, he's really right. Oh. See, I was just trying to teach him biology. Not him. And his dress was rumpled. I was trying to, what you see is rumpled. I was trying to fix it for him. There's no what you will explain better. And you, Ma, back to your class. I was trying to... Stop going! Back to your class. You know, the clothes...